Pega, second one, Paris Pega Shisa, and I know one of these niggas so already know the level and the pedal that's my cool. Only thing I need to do is pull out my puppy, your phone is off, and you maintain silence. It's pull out my puppy, then we go. Ah, we are, but oh, mama, oh, my friend, I'm not party, my pen. Everybody, I want to it's really a lot of this. Why don't the money get introduced of this? Oh, I'm going to I don't let, because the very I can show you people. Now, who does it introduce like that? And I can.
Sambona. I'm sure you Nigga on your left.
Yo. Young Cannibal is in the King Can YC Y2 the Tazo
Since we hasn't been there, you would see it's a bit colors about to my partner. I go just want to excel. I have to work to get it show shall go on. Heading about to smarting and saying about the stage. Yeah. We'll have a salute. But yeah, shout out to the sponsors, man. Duane States of Mind, Blood Session, Command the Media, Kali TV, no, King, but yeah, it's actually most of these things. So, gotta shout out to the sponsors because it's really about taking on our numbers is the top of the better. And you get the things about I'll be trying internet. Ha! Civils, back here. I was a sharp of this about so energy. Ecoy. He's going first. Easy, yeah?
It's the first round. I'm gonna let him decide his fate. Either I give him 2 shots at the back of his head, or the match at his leg. I'm talking back shots and Landelani until she grabbed the shit. Ikanda lenjelani. Oh, grabbing the shit. So, before we start with this battle, I have to warn you, Gapo. See, all the niggas that are battle, they're like people who give away by yours. In a strife, it's confusing us all. It's funny how you always on board but never choke at all, meaning you don't write shit here, my pen talks here. You see, I take here such a when caught your also there, catching this atmosphere.
One rule of this quietness of it, it's a air of this. Now we got the left project, because we don't watch the over, just a little bit.
I said, young years over first. Young years or much? Sure. Yeah, just you don't want the just for the love. It's the one. I said before we start with this battle, I have to warn him, Gapo. See, all the niggas that done battle, they're like people with gifts to give away by yo. In a strife, it's confusing us all. It's funny how we're always on board but never choke at all, meaning you don't write shit here, my pen talks here. We see Atiaki Asach or in court by ozone layer, cutting this bagapanga, my atmosphere. But it's the battle of the pens, no personals, it's a clean fight. Look at him, I got him falling in love with my pen because it's similar to his girlfriend, Lee Nice. I'm the reason everything he writes joke animnake. I keep him on his toes. Very skinny Sammy, then he dancing ballet. He's not familiar with type bars, he doesn't buy liquor. He a damn nigga for versing a gunslinger. You know, there's Akube Pashi that explains why you wanted to die, nigga.
Talk to him.
Hey yo, business is what I stand on. I'm the upper echelon. They say put this dog to sleep. Kenel, I said, who? Cannibal? Ngapumu half. Gimangega double. Intanga yenzu double maf. They said, say, yes, say. Ngathatha 2 steps, ngambuka emehlweni ngathi yes, sis. Ungayikhathazi ngeweight yami ingane zisa the truth in bed mfana. I don't even have to explain this bar. Sonke siyazi iqiniso liyahlaba. I'm sure Busogola nasesikele. Why do I gotta keep battling dummies? The difference between when and Eskati is that time passes. Taking you to the fucking cleaners has been in my bucket list. And Walona lelo bucket to sangal kasela, you fucking shit. If I take shots, never pin the fuck is king. Nowadays you bet and in Zong Boza guess I'm the shit. You don't intimidate me. I can rap with you in the soft way possible. You lame dear. You's a pussy, I'm a man. No earrings, only set. See how we not peers? See how we not peers? Because I write overheads like conversations in a comic book. Wrong 10, better leak. I wanted smoke. Nang nigu 2 pool. Fuck masturbation. So when Zeki cannibalism, uzozita wena cause I'm about to cook you. Why? Come on. That's who when I pets. Stubborn. I started this round as a cat, got to wild out singing lion. If I call you, Zokolong Endu. Zion. When I'm in the booth, I know. If you don't check what this Kabi records and shows and not all, Stallion. Let it sink in. And the Spondi, so let's do it. Ion. Ngasho, I wish to bury young Kenny Pal. His cat, he says, Figgy. After this, there's going to be a very confusing headline. Now wrap your head around it. Try to level with the pen crate. Ingama maiseka kuthiwa isukuyolanda amandla le yimi isukuyolanda ipeni nephepha layo the rampage. I tried to give you your flowers. Wakova wakhetha ukwenza ama pancakes. That's not even the best part. I then gave Karma his address. The universe attacked. I tried to give him his flowers. Wakova wakhetha ukwenza ama pancakes. I gave Karma your address. The universe attacked. Bakuthathela your fan page. Lalelani, Umliza Nomkenya paid a lot of money for his hit. Umliza Nomkenya paid a lot of money for your hit. Not Kulegani Sekili. The short I would cremate. Even though let's one to Lumlot, Abakoki Male Shisi. This is your God, right? When I listen to most of your punches, I'm totally sense. When I listen to most of his punches, I'm totally sense. What do you have, Papa Menge in the stage? Adolescence. Lalela. This Bam Samson a pride, it is cocky as fuck. Okay, like an Orlando Pirate die-hard fan, I'ma keep it a buck. You a fallen angel. Them punches and metaphors left you in dissertation like some kind of camel. Lalela, man sufuna kuthi uhambe ngesandla sami nami ngiyaskipha isandla like how they dancing nay. Cause uzoza la ngobuso, that's bad labor. You're gonna have a weird birthday time.
As one of the best rappers, me battling you is taking a step backwards. Faith, mukhuluma ngomlazi, you think of the West gangsters, they gave me my flowers. Now I'm on the mix, ngihlanganisa idonge, flow like fresh bakers, sense danger. Itsima bu captain wabo beyibheda. Uma Gawula, i-translation yomuntu oyi-fake rapper. And Maybacker, ebeyibheka ngimnembeza, you ain't that guy. I choke you in every verse you spit. Owanembeza. I choke you in every verse you speak. Owanembeza. UNkulunkulu uzongibeka. Ngifuna ukubona kuzophelela phi ngalesi bumuntu esinentshela. uNkulunkulu uzongibeka. Ngifuna ukubona kuzophelela phi ngalesi buntu esinentshela. Esifuquphuthu siquphuthuk usikhuluma uthuku size sihleke. Siphukuphuku ngangikuyela. Siphukuphuku ngangikuyela. I'll shoot you. I'll shoot you ubuso ngikhuthuze ikhukhu ngicuke inyuku ngibhenje. Mangifuna uyiduka umthuka umuntu ozongibuza ukuthi bengeke. Ungambuka uthuka ukuthi mkhulu lo muntu bru effect. Usanda kufuna ukuthi sishuthe soba yi2 ekhumula ivest. Akaphuzi nokuphuza ukuthi mhlawumbe ungazovula i6 pack. He's fat. The only bar ayiphakamisayo chocolate box and a slap.
Let's go.
I don't like how you're rapping. You sound like every first performer open mic in my session. Now we are part of the passion. Even I'm trying to do the palm, I'm just going to turn the attention. Amafaya ko Facebook wako abantu abantu abawu13 usanganiswa inamba, you think I'm the one ozomshuka ngo 3 rounds. I'm just saying. Washington I'm from rap dude to them sangano for something. Wawukathi uzothi umshobodeli shusi lo badla ngepeni. Kazi ube relevant, awukwazi uba newcomer over 30 waphusha uDollar sign. Kazi ube relevant, awukwazi uba newcomer over 30 waphusha uDollar sign ngoba ubona ukuthi amaranda wangeni. Awuthandeki waziwa njengomrapper wasemaphandleni. Uthi sonke zontanga yakho ile nto yokuthi ukhulu ufakwe emathangeni. Go. Awuthandeki waziwa njengomrapper wasemaphandleni. Uthi sonke zontanga yakho ile nto yokuthi ukhulu ufakwe emathangeni. Awu-upgrade ngipheka ama-lines ngeflow ngenza ama-spaghetti. You never been tagged. emathangeni uthi sonke sontanga yakho ile nto yokuthi ukhulu ufakwe emathangeni awu-upgrade ngipheka ama-lines ngeflow ngenza ama-spaghetti you never been tagged on a tour the only tour tag you gonna get ile yasemakhazeni anqeni ukufika kini just for ukuzodla emngcwabeni your whole life ubukhala ngokuvalelwa sona bomndeni abayingeni ngosuku lakho lokufihlwa ebhokisini lakho abakubheki ispade ngicira ngokukutshena ebusweni those who dig you ngizobachazela it's not that deep asiphandeni rap dude I rap good rap dude I rap good the bad news are at you effects pro angekulunga make moves angincenga into Facebook ya Facebook I checked you effect futhi udla ishirt iphuma upete nama-dread work kinda dex looks you embarrass yourself with this act your scripts and cast this party rock the same venue for public views ngizokuthumba ngiyophila the stage you still will stay true you tryna be high ngoba nawuze ngakule nyanga udinga isinemfu this is death and poison ibhemile ngeke usimele lesikefu I sent you to hell with this shit wasathana udinga i-perfume must please disturb you angikhathi mu-rapper i-behavior sharp mu-mean we stab you you suck on the floor mother singakubiza i-vacuum you will get schooled you suck on the floor mother singakubiza i-vacuum you will get schooled I'm fire when ayikho into eyilayithile na nobody paid to see this match brutal
Yeah. Make noise for the first guy like this. Hey, those are too many bars. Just show it there.
Let's go.
Lalela. Bafethu. Hayi kancane ngiluzi hope. Yazi bese kuyo yonke round end oyishilo iroom shaker yakho iqhamuke from a joke. Lento bengisho you know the better writer than me dog. With this gun bars umoya ugcwala ijazz when I come at you guns blazing. Okudunusa gun you get it. Gun bars after gun bars it'll look like the gun twerking. Let me start rapping.
Let's go.
Let me start rapping. Ngiphethe ama-bullets aphula ikhanda mangakudubula ungapheya na I mean really shoot you like bah nah shish kumele ngimkwazisisa aphuma umoya like pitch I mix it all up wait you gotta mix it all up oh go. Fuck it's slow I just gave him the best punch I said aphula peya banana peach. Don't that sound juicy when you mix it all up? That's the best punch. Baningi, fuck that shit. Baningi bathola umhlabathi ngesifuba all because they thought they could handle this gun load. I never go wrong with the text. If I do, it's a typo. With one bullet ngasuyisa le star. Domino. It's a huge difference. With one bullet, ngasuisa le star. Domino. Plus I got a heavy K. I'm kuluming a drum boss. If I point it to your direction, your heart might skip a bit. Cardio. Lalela. Plus this from Sam's Kumangatsa Valelis. Bye. Adios. You dirty. Even in Figa, I found him chilling with people that's OGs. Oh, you're not getting it. But you in balls and now you're in the deep waters. But slowly, but action G. Listen. It is facts. I'm nice. Fellas, you've never met my kind. It's never crossed your mind. You putting in Aulo for every wet nigga you once peddled. I am fine. Your brawl versus Umqingo almost went left, and that's not right. Lalela, listen. Look at this. I would have put that body on my shoulder like niggas when they hug. That's a bar. I would have put that body on my shoulder like niggas when they hug. Because Babu Ubizo Laku Gusuyo for that day, but he put the calling on hold. Ungabhayizisa this or go to the six pack, I can still make you fold. Because I write dark and heavy like when the font is very bold. In this fellowship I work twice as hard like niggas after getting sold. Lalela, around 101, around 201, around everything is mine like where they digging gold. Don't fuck with me. You're a pussy nigga. You a bitch ass nigga. You ain't got no pen. Everything is mine like where they digging gold. My bars are never low. I'm a police goddamn charger. I'll move you to the right direction. Umuntu akalahlwa. No mi career yakhe ingahambi kahle komntoli imeli iqakala. Yiba nethemba in case ngibhodlela kuwena njenge container yotshwala. To everyone I cater for, prepare to eat. Been dissing cars, I'm with the beef. I saw you as a bigger fish. Bow, bow, spine bust. Send you to a veggie cause now we're mates. Like a bench warmer player, I hope you get the skin. If I'm letting cans go, I'm throwing preservatives. No munga tamu bigger, I punch through your guard, I'm devilish. Awukho ntswempu nami okusukwenzile ngikwenzile, check my resume. Nami ngayo khosini punch emoyeni like players when they celebrate. This is your king, right? Nami ngayo khosini ngashaya punch emoyeni like players when they celebrate. Intombi yami indebe yangempela, you just have a leap of faith. Angishaya punch kusimi ibani, that's how they disconnect. Unepeni elincane kodwa uzenza undlavini. Olami usiba likhulu like my surname is Dlamini. Olami usiba likhulu like my surname is Dlamini. Bavume mina ngakithi, bavume umthinayi ngakini. But you rapping ass, njengesikaka mdidi. Where's that sign? Uthi kusazohlekwa. Well, let me break the ice. I tried to wear a smile but couldn't get the size. If we throw hands, you go to sleep like how you do at night. That little scrap you had with Umatolo makes you think you have some bragging rights. That little scrap you had with Umatolo makes you think you have some bragging rights. This is the day you get eliminated. Sinai was supposed to kill you. Wangafika wakwenza upopai, you got animated. Nail him. Umtinai was supposed to kill you. Wangafika wakwenza upopai, you got animated. Nail him. Ispikile khanda ngimphendula umkhovu. Like this is what you get for ducking inqele elibomvu. Fall over. Look at me fighting for leader like I'm a follower. Look how I got his legs shaking. And umvumile, that's a score motor. Lalela. I got so many lines up my sleeves. Njenge jacket ye coat roller.
You are doing too much. Bring it back. Bring that shit back.
Ispikile khanda ngimphendula umkhovu. Like this is what you get for ducking inqele elibomvu. Ball over. Look at me fighting for leader like I'm a follower. Look how I got his legs shaking. And umvumile, that's a score motor. Because I have so many lines up my sleeves. The jacket your controller. Liverpool fans, komla. Njenge jersey number kaZobo Slyer done 8 and left no crumbs. Time.
Go! Come on, nigga, young cannibal, let's go.
Let's go. We got a fancy.
You are very bold. Angikufisela unwelo lude. I don't think this fight is fair. Kuzohlala kubanga umsindo if the crowd go loud with cheers. No cap. Angikususela ekhanda ukuthi abakuthula isigqoko abantu this year. You had colorful dreads, well I guess it's not gonna be the first time you die in here. lento yakho yokuzama i-image ezabashe uca secret ngiyakwazi uyifan sleeping on the underground you won't be coming back your rhyme is whack no one thinks that's your mind creates no punches yet grows damn itself his real name is Kholwane his hope now is dead isibongo owakanyawo manje subhlungu he won't try to stand isibongo owakanyawo manje subhlungu he won't try to stand ngakungimele vele ungiyeke the only time ngibona kunento engishaya ngaphakathi ngisuke ngifasha nginyela ujele kumele uzilwele behind this buzz every sentence isigwebo sentambo sesisela uyihead ngeke sikuzwele you hear ngoba uzobe kudonsa ngendlebe vele yini oyilalele father of 3 onamaphupha afadalele father of 3 onamaphupha father of 3 onamaphupha afadalele ngoba vele usumthukile and ungithukile angeke ngikumangalele Mshoboteni okokaveni you look like Mario Crosshouse and there's a store singehli yegama walithola emva kokubona udla ama leftovers banginomndeni uzokhithiza amagwebu uzizundikindiki engathi ufake i-omokujeli you can't be never you can't be salty ukuthi you can't be salty ukuthi uyighosti ngoba usawoti iwona oxosha isipoko singezi winonokephi you can't be salty ukuthi uyighosti ngoba usawoti iwona oxosha isipoko singezi winonokephi ngakini manifika eThekwini nje nathi ihontshozi nehappy ungakophozi kulate ungakophozi kulate ngokuthi nidihontshe ungakophozi kulate lalela ipunch ikhishwa ngamakhala gazi ungamongozi ayimongozi ngo left I send the right hook in the middle of the conversation angizami isicompose track angeke ngitoto I send the right hook in the middle of the conversation angizami isicompose track ngeke ngikutotosa uwork kubeka ufasi rap out of 4 only and most horrible MCs nakini wena uzibona ubest bro we guest ngohlala ngisikweleto kwesiqasha singayikhokhi rent listen ngohlala ngisikweleto kwesiqasha singayikhokhi rent awu raise ngisho ipoint lemali angibona ukuthi ungakhomba ibank ngavela kutiwe if it's beef ayijiki ngile nkabe engatheniwe phela if it's beef ayijiki ngile nkabe engatheniwe phela ngingakujikela esiswini okwemiddle field emakekile you never rose phela ngingakujikela esiswini okwemiddle field emakekile you never rose ngithe angikubhuke isizini dry niyazi flow amayichelile niyazi flow amayichelile I'm the one oshadele game wena umkhongi because you paying and lento wena oyicelile siphukuphuku uthula usukele emntubatuba wezemduba for ukubuka mukhozi scene on the scene is on or isona ukukushutha ngiqala ukuduma busafunzi wamadumbi studio siphupha sizwakala hard into zisho ngami because bayangazona namhlanje fana nokuthi seku-introduce iclip yakho yebheli yakho eqhumene neyami ngacabanga ukuyisusa ngabuye ngathi angi-advertise usinayo ongasanabe in future ngasengenze njani ngaqala iwayisilive ubullet man mangim-interviewer wathi nomunye nenye i-challenge efakwa omunye usihlama othi naye anganginquma ividiyo ikhona online ngayibuka for ukuprova kwi-reply yami akungithathanga kwamzuzu eyi-1 ukuzizwa ngivuma every time unikwa i-chance kwivesi lakho uba noline ngowayithuda kwisotwasayi fucking cancer uyawachoka amabhazi akho but you trying to sell ukuthi uya in charge lapha emtuba are so cats abangaba yiplug now I'm electrifying ma ungizuma ngingaba yigupta I'm the shooter I'm the shooter connected underground for life ngaba router I'm the future fuck the new one Monday so I'm not the router listen bro
I bring that shit back.
Yo.
Good.
I am the shooter, a connected underground for life. Ngaba router, I'm the future. Fuck the new ones. Monday so I'm lambe shooter. You are not getting paid. Ngupi platform now. Speech your stupid runs as usual.
It's time. Let's go. Let's go.
Fuck that!
Uyashawula yini lofana uchaza ube mude mase niyamhaya hazi sosoyenza amakhaya kodwa ke asisirephe thina ke ama-MCs nomabhazi hayi ama-jokes let's go lo muntu died on the first round but we gonna sell the fight because I still have lines for a body like cellulite. Yabo mawuzolokhu phaphu uzama ukungicasula ngamabomu iyophelele ezandleni like masturbating alone. Not for jokes. Pause. We came for bars, not for jokes.
Talk that Robert Buzz.
Versus Steffe, you choked on your date. You both were not prepared for that test, but you got a free pass. What I'm trying to tell you is that it's always been a favorite, Benjamin and Nesquay. Because he knows I'm the best, but he got second guessing me while he gets all the guess. You and Master D had a very strong connection, the chemistry facts. You and Master D had a very strong connection, that's chemistry facts. Even when he was cooking, he said on his lap. When you build it in speech to Konkolo, knowing very well you're the one with the broken hand. They just make you on Facebook about Tembi Nabo. Because I told them if you think Lenny Katilu Malume, then put some bugs where your mouth is, but in my babo. You feeling lucky? Lalela, you feeling lucky? You feeling lucky? Yeah, the gun bless. You feeling lucky? Look at me. You feeling lucky? Yeah, the gun bless. Pow! Suppose. You feeling lucky? Yeah, the gun bless. Pow! Sapagup couple everywhere. Now they're trying to locate your brain using a mind map. Lalela! Every bar. If he tries to fight back, Mdonsa zonke insimbi njenge-magnet. If he tries to fight back, Mdonsa zonke insimbi njenge-magnet. Lalela, Sicily doesn't like doggy style. From this round, you're not gonna come back. From this round, you're not gonna come back.
Talk that shit.
Choke.
Lalela, it's not a joke, boy. It's not you. I saw you choking on round 2. But I let it slide. Because I'm your brother. No, I'm talking about this better. Usis Lee doesn't like doggy style. From this round, you're not gonna come back. Versus Steffe, wahlulwa i-rap wazothukuzayo. For that I got you on the scope. Ngathi ingane kumele ifunde ngawe. You washed up, une build up ening ma rap. Give me punch shower manje like I really need to check my temper. You came for bars, not for jokes. Give me punch shower manje like I really need to check my temper. Facebook bamgobile kodwa still uphashile yini bakubhica ngekemfa. Lalela, uthe uzongibulala namanje ngisada amabele njenge breast cancer. Nigga, look at me. I'm talking to you. Uthe uzongibulala namanje ngisadla amabele njenge breast cancer. And uyeke lento yakho lokwenza ngathi siyazwana ekubeni wazi kahle ayibhekani. Because if we both cool king, then awazi kanjani ukuthi ngiphekani. I told y'all, noma ningangibamba izandla ngiphuncha noma ngani. This is big shit. Trying to stomach this uba nenkwabazana.
Hey, yo! Ukamba manga. Wena unolaka lokuthi sewuze wamdala wangaka ungagamanga. Wawuhlela ulalela iclef ungagive up uthi hayi bakhaya lento nami ngingayizama. Hayibo ipunchline nathi esikoleni sifundile impondo fana. Shanga onyawo phansi usala uthuli uzongasifuni lesibongo mfana. I'm not your brother and I'm sure uzokwata. Yeah, listen, I'm not your brother and I'm sure uzokwata. Ngiyazi ungigcobile. Now you're sweating because I'm getting under your skin ubuyiphashele ngakumosha your riser. I'm not gonna start.
That's different. Hey, that's different.
I'm not your brother and I'm sure uzokwata. I'm not your brother and I'm sure uzokwata. Ngiyazi ungigcobile. Now you're sweating because I'm getting under your skin ubuyiphashele ngakumosha your riser. I'm not constada. I'm condom shader. Leaving your thoughts leaking. It sucks stinking probo khana. Yo show your hunger. Or go call your father to confirm ukuthi umshobodela impela since back then usayingosba uphanga. Yabona ukuhlala. Let's go. Yabona ukuhlaza. Ukuhlaza impela. Kodwa ungafiki kumina usushunqa bro. I smoke the ganja. Yabona ukuhlaza. Ungafiki kumina usushunqa bro. I smoke the ganja. And my friends, as a script something ngenhla so now I only get high mengizobhala. You are scared of me. As an artist, you only create punchlines, you don't have melodies. And then you all think I'm gonna lose for this rural backpack wet vibes. Oh, please. Ukugile inyama yobusi yalenga and you always sack your jeans. The reason why you look like you need a hug is, kid, you need to pack your shit. Wanganga uthi ngayisivuke ukuthi ubaba. Shlama. Listen, let's say that. Shlama. Uthi ngaba personal nawe. Uyazibona kodwa uzuqhele kanjani ngokuhlala. I'm sure uthe uma baxoxele ukuthi ngiqhathana nomjito weqopthana oBig Zulu okhosini kwathiwa Kholwane usungasikhohlwa. Yabona ke manje sekuyakhala. I'm sure uthe uma baxoxele ukuthi ngiqhathana nomjito webhekene oBig Zulu okhosini kwathiwa Kholwane 1 uzungasikhola. Yabona ke manje sekuya le belt kumina ibalekile. Ungibophela uzungu since umanzini now uthola amachaphazelo. Buka iflow yakhe ayicacekile. I can see you are tired. Uneyibophezelo esabhekile. I wonder ulibopha nobani elifindo ngoba siyaza ushadeliwe. Ngikunikeza intambe. Listen, ngikunikeza intambe. Ngikunikeza intambende. Manje ukhahlela ibhakede lesuicide imihleliwe. Uma wengane zakho mekubuka uzini la ngizaleleni. Ingane zakho kade ulungiselela le bell bezisho ubaba kodwa bengasile. Ubatshela ukuthi uzothola i-exposure, you getting closer. Mhlawumbe uzogcina usayiniwe. Ngiyakuzwela uzothatha umhlala phansi ngoba leyo nto ayivamile abakuthandi. Everybody in your cycle udlala umaskandi. Mawuphakamisa unyawo usuke usina ngikaze ngizwe kuthiwa usendela ubaba wakhe i-shout we fuck up. Ngabe angikaze ngizwe kuthiwa usendela ubaba wakhe unyawo ngithi baba angikaze. Everybody in your cycle udlala umaskandi. Mawuphakamisa unyawo usuke usina ngikaze ngize kuthiwa usendela ubaba wakhe i-shout we fuck up. Ngaba ngenzi kahle ifa ngikuta lapha. Usipitha noma inini ngoba unesisini kulamazinya ngezansi la eFrance. Everybody in your cycle udlala umaskandi. Mawuphakamisa unyawo usuke usina ngikaze ngize kuthiwa usendela ubaba wakho i-shout we fuck up. Ngaba ngenzi kahle ifa ngikuta lapha. Usipitha noma inini ngoba unesisini kulamazinya ngezansi la eFront. Naloku ngicela ukuthi angingakusho. I was like fuck it. Wena uyena umngane nami. You chose to go first khona uzoqeda ngalododwa wakho fast mase ngiyashuswa ngirapha wena umeduze kwami. Either way it's a win for you. Labantu abakwazi ujabulela uzokhuluma ama-punchline eThekwini una-35 awuna-plan. Uyisnipe best lyricist yasemafamu. Wiskora sinjani esinamzimba engathi uncinzwe yiqanda. Wiskora sinjani esinamzimba engathi uncinzwe yiqanda. This is the reason why you're not getting honeys. Ungaphika cut proof. We wanna be ephakatheni ikhali ibhungezi. Awukho fly futhi.
Let it cook. Let it get to the
This is the reason why you're not getting honeys. Ungaphika cut proof. We wanna be ephakatheni ikhali ibhungezi awukho fly futhi. Thula. Awukazi ube influential. Incwadi sound njengawe ngeflow. Thula. Awukaze uprepare for i-cypher, i-performance, udesign i-artwork ngapho organize i-show. Thula. Namhlanje ukhokheliwe ujabulela i-platform bayihlaba mhlawumbe la ikhona i-flow. Thula. Ungaphindi uphaphela abantu ongabajwayele lesi sifundo. Mawufuna ukurapha nami phambi kwabantu bekumele usho. Win or no win ukuthi nawe angigain lutho. You are happy that it's done. Oh yeah, I'm happy too.
As a little too, have your say.
Yeah, okay.
lapha. Bafowethu, ukudlulisa lokho bafowethu ngiyabonga kakhulu bafowethu konke ukuthi la ngaphakathi kakhulu. Ngoba panic ball bafowethu. Ngaphandle kwakhe bafowethu ngeke uziyenzele yabo.
Shout out to you, man, the state, Bon Hustler. Shout out to you, Block. You sure I pay it? Zaza, go shit, Jack, over Zaza, perform.
Replay venue, nigga. God, good.
Where's the teaching?